Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami nisahleli nentokazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So yeah, hope niyaphila, hope nivuke kahle, hope nisiphethe kahle. Hope konke kunihambela kahle, makungakahambi kahle konke kuzolunga in no time. Yeah. So I'm gonna answer somebody also who asked a question in the comment section. Oti gogo ulwani lolukhamba olushayelwa emanzini ahambayo. Now remember gogo ukuthi abanye they are water babies, abantwana bamanzi, right? And khona amadlozi, khona idalwa emanzini, khona entabeni, emgedeni, anyway, right? Ukhamba usuke uyophuzisa laba basemanzini ukuthi nabo bajabule, nabo bakuzwe, nabo bakuphendule. So lolu khamba, it's either it will be you just saying ngizodumisa, right, to thank you for everything that you've done for me, and it can be uyocela, it can be uyobika kodwa uhamba nokhamba, you know. Yeah, because especially a lot of people abangena makhaya as well, abangena makhaya yabo kuye kuthiwe in actual fact uyakwazi ukuthi uyenze umsebenzi wabantu abadala ungawuyenze ekhaya kodwa uyenze ehlane yabo, especially la kune nature khona, that there's waters, mountains, ehlane nani. That's where abantu abadala bakuzwa kangcono futhi akekho osele ngaphandle, because even ejardini you are renting, right? Khona idalwa engakwazi ukuthi zifinyelele kuwena because le jaridi probably it's not yours, uqashile. So kukhona amadlozi nezidalwa zale ndawo zomnikazi wale ndawo, surely because before they bought the place they passionate, they begat the place, they did whatever. So when you can't just come and yabo kwesinye isikhathi abakuzwa kahle, you know. I remember there was a gentleman I know, we go to church together. Uye wathola ika accident, so it's been years, but it was bad, but now seka right. Finally imali yakhe ka RAF came out, but it came out after a lot of, because he's a water baby, he had to now be like, you know, it's been long and angina mali and I'm struggling, you know. So he went to uyocela emanzini now and then, uyocela emanzini now and then, uyocela emanzini now and then, khanivuleni. And after all those rituals, it opened. Vele wathola icall ukuthi hey imali yangena imali RAF. I don't know if I blew it yenzakele noma yenzakalanga, that's not why I'm making the video. So after that, obviously imali mayibuya fanele ayobabikela emanzini abantu abamvulele, ayobabonga. So he had ukuthi ayenze ukhamba neladi lasemanzini ayobonga, ayobanikeza ukudla kwabo, right? Because imali abantu abadala mabayivulile, you have to go to them first before you do anything, because imali akuseyakho, imali yabo. I don't know if you understand, but yeah. So kunabanye baye bashayewe, mina ngashayelwa igobongo emanzini ahambayo, yabo, ngashayelwa igobongo emanzini ahambayo. Because igobongo ukudla vele kwabantu abadala, yabo. So I had to ukuthi ngishayelwe igobongo emanzini abantu ahambayo, like literally misha, like go in the river, shaya igobongo ifrom iphuma ingene emanzini, and as I'm doing it I'm speaking, so bayadla ngaleso sikhathi. Then after I also it's the mangiceda ngageza ngalelo gobongo. So yeah, basically it's you recognizing abantu bakho basemanzini, especially for igobongo. It's for them ukuthi abasemanzini mabakhulume ubezwe ukuthi bafunani, because as a water child you don't want to be making mistakes, you don't want to, kuningi you don't want to do things bese uyenza amaphutha, because to correct it's worse, rather not make the mistake from the word go. But if you make a mistake unknowingly, it's forgivable. But if you make a mistake knowingly, then it's something else. I don't know if you understand. But anyway, emakhosini lesedi khanya kama kundawo.